What's up guys, my name is Elias and in today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to buy a domain of Hostinger. To get started, simply just head over to the domain section on hostinger.com. I will also leave you a link for this down below, and then you are going to have quite a lot of different options when it comes to the actual domain TLD. Now Hostinger is quite cheap. You can get the .com domain for $5.99 for example. So to get started, simply just put in your desired domain name. In my case, I'm just going to name this Krause Tutorials example. And then as you can see, we are going to have all sorts of different domain options. We can get a .online domain, .store domain, .ai domain, and so on. Now I will just move forward with the .com domain, and then they're going to click on add to cart. We can now actually head over to the cart page, and now we will have to check out order. Now, as for the period, by default this is going to be updated to 2 years. Now, this is actually going to save you some money. If you are going to go for the 2 years option, a free domain privacy protection is included. However, let's simply just go for the 1 year option, and you are also going to have that option right now. You can then actually also add some additional domain extensions. I wouldn't recommend you to do so, and then you will have to simply create your account and actually pay for your domain.